Shri Saboo began his banking career as a probationary officer with the Oriental Bank of Commerce in 1994. Over the years, he served across diverse geographies, including Gujarat, West Bengal, New Delhi, and Mumbai, gaining comprehensive exposure to branch operations, regional management, and strategic banking functions. Since his assumption of charge as executive director of the UCO Bank, he oversees a wide portfolio including treasury, international banking, digital transformation, human resources, information technology, cyber security, risk management, and strategic planning. Under his leadership, UCO Bank has received national recognition for its digital initiatives and strong financial performance. In every assignment he has undertaken, Sri Saboo has demonstrated a consistent focus on strengthening banking systems, enhancing customer trust, and ensuring that financial institutions grow in a resilient, progressive, and responsible manner. It is my honor to welcome our honorable chief guest for today, Shri Rajendra Kumar Saboo, to deliver the keynote address. So please.
Thank you. Honorable Principal Chief Commissioner Shri Shravan Kumar ji, Chief Commissioner Shri R. Srinivas Nayak ji, Commissioner Shri Vikram Vani ji, all distinguished dignitaries, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, my best wishes on the occasion of celebration of GST Day on 9 years of GST. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to be present here on this occasion of the celebration of 9 years of the GST. I sincerely thank Honorable Principal Chief Commissioner and Chief Commissioner, sir, for inviting me to be a part of this important function, milestone. We all know GST is undoubtedly one of the most transformative economic reforms undertaken in the independent India. Introduced with the vision of one nation, one tax, one market, it has simplified the indirect taxation structure, enhanced transparency, improved ease of doing business, and strengthened cooperative federalism. As we have seen in the presentation, more than 19, around 19 taxes, different type of taxes have been subsumed into one GST, and it has made life easier for many people. And over the last 9 years, GST has evolved into a robust and technology-driven tax system, as we heard. Today, digital initiatives, because the age is of digital, in every field we see far-reaching changes through technology. So these digital initiatives, such as online registration, return filing, e-invoicing, and e-way bills, have significantly simplified the tax administration. The steady rise in GST collections, nearing and sometimes surpassing also 2 lakh crore every month. This reflects not only the resilience of the Indian economy, but also the growing trust, voluntary compliance, and digital adoption among taxpayers. Means easier the system to collect the tax, I think higher will be the compliance. Because as our ancient wisdom has always emphasized, that taxation should be fair, balanced, and conducive to public welfare. There is a very beautiful sloka in Mahabharata which describes this philosophy of taxation. It says, Yatha madhu samadatte rakshan pushpani shatpadah tadvadarthan manushyabhyah adadyad vihinsaya. just as a bee gathers nectar from flowers without causing them any harm. The state should collect taxes from its citizens fairly and without causing hardship. This timeless philosophy continues to guide modern taxation systems. GST embodies these principles by creating a transparent, technology enabled, and equitable tax framework that encourages voluntary compliance with supporting while supporting economic growth also. The banking system, I come from bank. I have means more than 3 decades now in the banking system since I joining at the base level as precautionary officer. I have seen that GST is a reform. GST is a means we can say such a thing that has impacted our banking system performance in many ways. Basically, it has helped us, the banking system, to transform our ecosystem by enabling data-driven lending. As now the GST is also a FIP on account aggregator system, financial information provider, and that is a very important point because nowadays we have an account aggregator system wherein we collect information from authentic source, authorized information upon which we can act upon and take decisions. And this account aggregator system also has GST as a part of it, providing financial information, giving the data of GST up to 18 months of any means registered taxpayer. This has helped banks to gain deeper insights into the business turnover, their cash flows, and financial discipline. This has strengthened our credit appraisal, improved our risk assessment, and enabled faster cash flow based lending, especially for the MSMEs. Earlier, we used to take so many papers, balance sheet, profit and loss account, and what not. A big, thick file was used to be taken from MSMEs and even other retail customers to sanction a loan, small loan. But nowadays, with the GST and through account aggregator, we get entire information online instantly, and then we take a decision basis the data we receive through this. So it has also expanded access to formal finance for deserving enterprises, thereby supporting entrepreneurship, employment generation, and industrial growth. As a leading public sector bank, UCO Bank, I belong to which, is proud to be an active partner in this journey as well. UCO Bank plays a vital role in facilitating seamless tax payment through our branches, our mobile banking and net banking digital channels. Our endeavor is to promote digital transactions, enable financial inclusion, and provide credit to businesses, particularly MSMEs, in time and need based, which form the backbone of our economy. At UCO Bank, we have gone through in the recent past through a digital transformation journey which is called Project Parivartan. And through this Project Parivartan, we have launched 31 straight through process journeys which covers most of the products under deposit side and the loan advances side. Our schemes, among others, are very important GST linkage as well. We have a GST Mitra scheme for MSMEs, which is traditional scheme through the manual appraisal system. We provide credit basis on the GST data. But before 1 year, we launched a fully digital version, GST Smart Finance for MSMEs particularly, wherein they can avail working capital finance from the bank online through end-to-end straight-through process digital journey. There is no need of any paper submission. There is no need to visit any branch. Online application, online appraisal, instant sanction and disbursement also. And this has been well accepted by our customers. So thanks to GST also for enabling us as a bank to provide this type of facilities to our customers on the basis of the data we receive from GST. We shall continue to leverage this type of technology and innovation to deliver customer-centric financial solutions while contributing to India's journey towards a robust, transparent, and digital inclusive economy. Then, coming again back to our taxation philosophy, the taxation philosophy has always been rooted in the principle of nation building.